Welcome to Beauty Extras. I'm Chris Dale, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be building a PVC pipe paint booth to Rhino-Line Cameraman's Subaru Forester. I got to measure everything up, top to bottom, left to right, all the corners. So let's get to it. So I got all the measurements. We got 18 lengthwise, I don't know what you want to call it, 6 by 16 widthwise, 8 feet 6 inches up and down, vertical. So we got to go to Lowe's, get some PVC pipe, get all the corner pieces, and we already have the plastic. Now it's time to get the materials to go build it. All right, we got everything that we needed. We got pipes, we got things to connect the pipes, we got other things to connect the pipes, and we got, well, we're not gonna be using tape today, but yeah, let's put it together. That was enough. Okay, time to cut them.
Mask doesn't come off.
So it cost us about $200 to get all the PVC pipe and everything we needed. It worked out great. Now we can use it, take it down if we need to, and then use it again later on. If you were to do this, would you use wood or use PVC like we did? Let us know in the comments down below. Hey everyone, if you want to watch more detailing videos, go on ahead and click the sponge and spray bottle right there. And if you want to watch more modification videos, click the wheel and wrench right there. And remember, stay beautiful.